What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to delete contact on Telegram. Firstly guys, go on your dot icon on your left upper side and then you need to go and select the contacts, the second selection. Now on your contact list you need to choose the person that you want to delete his account. For example, from here we are going with this one. Right after that, you need just to tap on his name, and then on your right upper side you have an option for deleting the contact. As you can see, the fourth selection. Click on the fourth selection, go delete, and as you can see, this account has been deleted on my Telegram application. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys, have a nice day.